Hello. Okay. Mic is up and working. Chat is visible for this stream. Why? I'm getting chat is visible for this stream. So let me just confirm if I turn the stream in the right way. I can see the chat window. Okay, let's try one more time. Rahul, welcome. It's weekend for me, Friday night. I'm free to do anything. I can do programming or playing some games, so I just leave that option for you guys. If you're not enjoying what you're saying, just tell me. I'll just go back to programming as well. It's fine. Looks like all the servers are almost full. You can say every good server is full except these. Oh, there's one. So this is called Battlefield 1, one of my most favorite games. If you feel like the game sound is a little bit more, just tell me. I will just decrease the sound so that you guys can hear what I'm trying to say. For some reason I'm not able to full screen, please. It's trying to capture the full screen, but due to the capture card, it's trying to struggle. So I know how to fix that thing. 1 second. When the game starts, I can go to the settings and just change it to borderless, so that would fix things. Full screen, window, borderless, yes. Where is the apply button? Say everything's set. Every squad is full. Okay, it's like this. So this game just, I guess it was on yesterday's stream. I was invisible suddenly. Actually, I went to my college and exams going on. Okay. If you want to go study for your exams. Jagdeep, welcome to the... So yeah, I will find another script. You know what? I'll just do another script. So next time I'm not going to say, hey Jagdeep, welcome to my stream. So what else do you want me to say? Oh. You know what? Let me go get my gaming keyboard. Yeah. So there is some reason, you see this is a long keyboard. When I try to move my mouse, I get clashed. I'll go get my gaming keyboard. Someone revived me and I'm dead. 1 second, I'll be back, Jagdeep. Got my key. Yeah, I think the sound is a little bit more for this game, especially. This game is purely sound driven. So I expect that. So I'll just decrease my the stream sound 1 second. Is it fine? So what's going on? So this was, today for me it's Friday. I had almost done 3 to 4 hours of intensive Angular coding, and I don't really have much energy to code right now, and I was in multiple calls with other people after work as well. So my brain is not really that creative or active. I just wanted to have some time. So the reason is I was sitting, so I started my computer in order to stream. I sat like this and I was thinking, I wasn't really feeling to code. because my brain is not really 100%. I cannot produce a good quality of program. But I was like, if I'm dull while doing code, you guys won't be able to enjoy the stream. So I just, okay, let's do some games. I wanted to play some games, so let's have some fun. So that's the motivation. No, I haven't used that. I use a generic like $20 mouse wireless. That works fine for me. I'm not a pro league player or anything. So I'll have a slow paced game. You know what? I'll just play sniping. It's too bright. I really love. Oh, I thought there's someone. After this point, everyone is fighting. If only. Oh. This is one bad bomber. Where are the enemies? We have taken objective Edward. Oh. Okay. For some time, let's not play sniper. I think this map is not really meant for sniping. If I want to snipe, I have to be far before. Like, I might need to stay a little bit here in order to see something, but this mountain doesn't really allow me to fight. I'll play medic. Yeah. What's your graphic card? I have a. I have a 3080, bro. We have lost objective Duff. Why would I? There is no way I could survive that. I got spawned and got bombarded with all the grenades. Okay. We have to do something with those planes. They are just ruining the entire. Okay, you know what? I'll just spawn it somewhere safe so that I can push the squad. So we can see there are a lot of enemies going on. This is a lot chaotic game, man. So this is what happens. The match has already started. If you start the game from the first, you would know what the enemy movements were. As of now, I'm just getting spawned into war zone, so I was not able to control it. But this is what I normally do. I would just push from the start and then understand the track of enemies. So we can see these enemy players. I think there are really good pilots. Yeah, there is one pilot. Oh, they got 1, 2, 3. They got 3 pilots. That means they have a lot of air power that either we have to also have the same or just have some anti-air. So I'm going to use anti-air because I got killed a lot. I can take plane as well, but I'm not really good with planes. Let's try. There is one bomber right there. It's going away. It's right behind the mountain. There you go. Shoot it down. Yeah, doesn't matter, just damage it. Oh, now I'm getting killed. No! Yeah, it's team versus team. So, it's team versus team. There are no bots. There are no bots in Battlefield games. In 2042, there's a bot, but Battlefield 1, 4, 5, no bots. Everyone is real player. Even the pilots, they're all real players. They're also sitting like me and playing the game. So it takes around 40 to 1 hour for one match, and we have limited sources. So the more points you capture, those more planes or stuff you might get. So every map is different. This is obviously a airfield map. So I was never really good with the planes. So I normally do this. I see a lot of air power for the enemies, so I just take my anti-air missiles and just shoot them. There was this stupid person right standing next to me. So this is the reason. This game needs to be played in a certain way. If you get spawned in the middle of a war zone, there is nothing you can do. But yeah, you need to have a strategy. Even that guy got killed. So you need to have a strategy. The more you die, those many tokens enemies get, and those many tokens your team is going to use. So obviously you are not supposed to die too often, or at least kill some people. So some people won't even make any kills, but they help their team. So they stay behind, trying to capture enemy movements, and they just give those information to the. There is a concept called commander. which is in Battlefield 4. So what that guy does is, he's not going to play in front of a computer. He would be opening it in an iPad or a tablet, and he would just. We can also spawn on these big planes. There's someone shooting it from behind. There's someone else shooting. I don't know where he is. Oh. I forgot to parachute, man. So this is problem. I play Battlefield 2042 and parachute gets turned on by default. But in this game, I have to turn on the parachute. Yeah. But I'll enjoy this game a lot. Bro, do you use Redis? Not really. I know Redis, but I haven't used it because it wasn't really my necessary. Everything was fine. So you can see this is a peaceful area. No enemies have entered this point yet. So I'm going to sit now and see if I can get any plane.
We have taken objective Edward.
So there is a tank. We can go inside the tank and sit. Also play in that way. I'm good with the tanks. We are losing objective D. Okay, I see a plane. Ah, shit. Can we use Redis and backend the WebSockets in the same droplet? I have no clue, Jagdeep. Honestly, I never really used Redis. I know it's made for caching, but whatever you're trying to ask, I haven't really thought about it. I'm sorry, I no idea. I don't want to just give you, guessing. ChatGPT can do better than me. No, yeah. Airplane damaged. That is enough for them to just go away from the war zone.
We have taken objective Duff.
So now there will be a new one. Let's see. So if I have one more friend or someone who I can play with, we both can just play together and just destroy all these planes. Vehicle destroyed. See, it's got exploded. The enemy didn't die because he might have just ejected before I was about to shoot anyways. So it's done. So now they have one less plane. Oh, there is one more there. One more there. Okay. He's going away. Oh, there is one more.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Costing or getting. Yeah, those kind of things I never really deployed anything which involves real money. So doesn't really have much experience in it. He's dying. So what happens is if you try to damage a wing, he will get that the wing is damaged. So he will not be that. Oh, there is someone here. I think that's a pilot. Which got ejected. He's dead. We have our own anti-air. He's going to normally shoot down the planes. I am out of ammo. I need ammo, guys. So when I do request ammo, I can see in the map if there are anyone. Oh yeah, we are guys on talking. No problem. You guys can talk. There's someone here, dude. Requesting ammo. Out of ammo. What is this? Oh, there's someone. he got stuck against the pole. Using planes is really hard. Are you asking to use Redis with WebSockets at the same server? If that's the question, then yeah, absolutely you can. I don't think he's asking that. Can we use Redis and backend WebSockets in same droplet? What do you mean droplet? Oh, there's ammo. Thank you. Let's go get my ammo. Thanks for the ammo. Okay, reload. Okay, I got one missile. Let's try to shoot them down. Oh, there is a tank going to E. Tank pushing E. There is a enemy tank pushing E. Okay, someone is coming. No. That's our plane. He's our anti-air. It's just bringing down all the planes. Okay. Spawn on you. Thank you. There can be people coming from this direction. No plane. Oh, there's a sniper somewhere. Okay. Yeah. Oh, he's dead. See, that's how you destroy the planes. So yeah, you cannot just. Thank you. There should be some more. That was fun. Okay. Just wing damaged. One more. Enemy hit. Nah. So I don't really know. I'm not really aware of a terminology called droplets. I'm sure those are not water droplets. Okay, let's see if I have any planes. My sensitivity is too high for vehicles. 1 second. Control small sensitivity. Oh. This is fine. Well, I have to shoot a little bit forward. They are not letting our planes go that way. And we are not letting them to cross our territory. Someone is capturing E. Oh, I sense enemies. People are trying to attack B. Capture B. Yeah, of course. I was just joking. I know that those are not. I know that he's not referring to water droplet. That's the thing. I have deployed applications on a normal scale, but I haven't really deployed more complications. There is someone.
We have lost objective butter.
He's done. There are a lot of snipers. I can't really fight against snipers with this gun. What is this? This is an assault. Can anyone give me some ammo? Yeah, I got ammo.
We have an airship en route.
We got an airship? Hey, you guys have to see this airship. It's the best thing in this game. So far everything's fine. I sense enemies. Do. By the way, do you use Linux? Yes, I do. See, man, I have a startup and I want to use Redis for my blog and community section so my DB won't get overloaded. Understood? So just make a clone of the same database. That's what I would do. If you are not really comfortable with Redis. Yeah. There you go. Airship. I hope I'm not the driver. Someone else is driving. Yeah, fine. I need F6 controls. F6. F6. Oh, it's not the right one. Okay, where are they? Oh, that's an enemy plane. Nah, his news. I might need to go upstairs. Yep. Oh, that's our plane. There is one. He will be dying anytime soon. Okay, let's take out all the planes. Okay, I see one. Take it down. Oh, shoot. It's not letting me shoot.
We are losing objective Duff.
I thought I could just land. It's not letting me. If you guys are having a conversation, I feel useless. I just feel useless. Oh, there's a plane right below us.
We have lost
Take out the planes.
objective
What? Someone just straight out shot me. So this is the blimp. Okay, what's happening? But the grid is giving less size, like 3 KB for cloud, so I want to use my own. I have about 100 GB of space in Droplet. Okay. Why are you, if even for a blog it should be fine. Is it like a, I don't think blog would cause you that many issues, man. What do you have in your blog? Everyone is dying here. Okay, let's recapture D. Do you guys want me to play some other game? PUBG? So I can do that. I need someone. Let's drop on B. Let's drop on B, guys. This is a big ship. Okay. Oh, there's someone. Hey dude, how did he know? How did he know? He killed me thrice already. I couldn't kill him. It's in the Atlas and I don't know. I don't think how much it can do. Among Us, Farouk, welcome to this. Among Us, I never really played that game. I don't know what Among Us is. Node is a design for single. That's JavaScript. But still, for a blog site, Node.js is a really decent language. The driver is in C++, so I don't think that's causing the problem. If the site is if your blog site is static, then switch for something else. Oh, it's small. Okay. I thought. Okay. Why would you use Node.js for such website? That's it, man. You have to scale your application now. So what is costing you? Database or the ingest and what do you call that? There is a charge for feeding data into the cloud and then pulling the data injection or ingest something. I'm trying to capture this C objective. Dude. I saw you. Okay, right now I have 2 GB RAM and 2 VPS and 1 core CPU and 100 GB RAM. 100? You have 2 GB RAM? Oh, you have 2 VPS? One is 2 GB RAM and one is 1 core CPU, 100 GB RAM. So what are you throttling? So if you have any data which is not that, if it doesn't need to be hosted in a VPS, you can offload that from the cloud and save some money, and you can just host it in your laptop. Traffics. You haven't really launched that application. Why are you getting that many requests? Are you sure that those are not bots? Yeah, perfect hit. Have you launched that application yet? Okay, the tank is destroyed, but what are we trying to shoot? Someone was spamming, someone was saying C got a tank, so I got a free. I don't think he's, I feel like it's just poor optimization. for the specification he has provided, that shouldn't be the case at all. Revive me, please. The guy is still alive. Thank you. Oh, 2 VPS. Okay. I read it as 2 VPS. So this is the thing, man. I'm not really aware, or I'm aware. Sorry, I have not really used those things. My Raspberry Pi was doing enough for these many things I'm doing, but obviously that's not the same level as your application is. Even my own laptop struggled for hosting a WordPress site. That's why I had to use Hugo, because I was just wasting a lot of resources. So this is the thing, if whatever you can offload it to the front end, just load it that. Whatever the data you're handling, so this is the difference. Backend gets some questions, answers some questions. So if there are too frequent, that's when you use caching. And then if there is like consistent data flow, you can use WebSockets, but those are obviously needs to be hosted there. Those are can't be avoided. So whatever you are sending it and receiving back, if it's too often the same data, you can have a cache of it. And whatever your hosting provider is using, they would provide you a default cache. I don't think you have to specifically use Redis. But again, if you think you have to, then yeah, Redis is the only one thing. You can use, instead of RAM based Redis, you can use storage based to save some cost. So what is the exact thing which you're trying to solve? Is it the CPU which is being bottlenecked? Is it RAM or is it GPU? What are you being charged on? Even then, it should be enough, bro. I used it is BGA model on a 2-core CPU. I'm not sure is having issues with the processing. I think something is being charged on his account for something. If it's RAM, then obviously Redis won't be helping, because Redis runs on in memory. You have to specify that. Scribble IO game. Okay, let's. I'm closing this game. Man, I love this game, Battlefield. Okay. SCSKRIBBL. Please don't say it's a mobile game. Okay, let's give it a try. What is it up? What? Guess this drawer? That's a drawer. But what should I do? Let me see here. Okay. Oh, I was too slow. Okay. Bomba is choosing a word. Okay, interesting. What is it? There are 2 words. 5 letters and 4 letters. Okay. Am I supposed to draw? Oh, okay, Bomba is drawing. Okay. A mountain. 2 words. Mount Everest? No. Fuji? Mount Fuji. Dude, he was just drawing those things. Costing is not an issue. We can spend about 3K in rupees, but we don't want the things going down in middle. Okay, now our main server is running for backend with WebSockets and video callings and other blocks. And other normal fetching and for admin handling too. Dude, he's just drawing mount. That's just straight out unfair. That's a cool game. That's a cool game, Swarup. But people ruin the fun out of the game. So there are 4 different battlefields. Should I maybe try Rainbow Six Siege? With the amount of processing you're handling in those 2 VPS. So which application? Fortnite? Yeah, I do have Fortnite. I think I should have streamed vertical so that I might get some views. And that I got your number from where? So what's the problem? Is your specifications giving you a bottleneck from your resume? Oh, interesting. Iconic, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Why is the speak command not working? Time to debug. So let's see first if the voice attack is working. Should be working fine. Celebrate. My internet is not stable. If you guys can hear me, my internet is not stable. I'm losing internet. Not sure why, but yeah, I think my board is having issues. Yeah, after this, I didn't really get anything. Yeah, my board is dead. Yeah, it looks like my board is dead. I'm not getting any new messages. Even Relangi Mama was not active until now. The last time it was on. Yeah, I should have noticed that. Then that's not my number, bro. Let's see. That was an old number, maybe. I'm going to try to respin things again. Or let's see if I have any errors. Putty. So don't send any messages, guys. I won't be able to see those messages as of now. So don't send any. If you guys are what? I do have the latest what I'm talking about. Sudo systemctl status alerts. Oh no, alerts.service. Sorry. That would cost me an year now. Okay. No, it's still running. It's still running. Okay. It's still alive, so I'll just try to spin up a new one. So now I might be able to see your message. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, the stats will be misaligned now. Just whoever is watching, just make sure you send some message so that I can have a record of your conversations. Okay, sudo systemctl status alert.service. I didn't get any new commands. So new connection will be made to target refused. My server is not running. Looks like my server got crashed. I got some issues with the internet, which I noticed. It should be up right now. Oh, looks like my stream. Oh, I forgot to turn on my streamer bot. Probably that's the issue. Yep, I understood the problem. It was not, it was not my server. Oh, I thought to fix this thing. Yeah, I thought to fix this thing. So this is what happens. I think this should be fixed easily. Let's try to fix that thing. Coding software mode. Yeah, things should be working fine now. 1 second. I'm not able to see your messages, people. So give me just a moment. Probably my server should be up by now, hopefully. I will see if it's up or not by here, or I can just run the same command. So I request Swaroop, Iconic, just send some messages so that I can have your record that you have watched the stream. Why? So that I can have some accurate information. It doesn't really matter, but just send something. Let's. The alerts would work. Just a minute. I have to bring that to the top. Okay. Cool stuff. What about the speak command? Try it one more time. Can you try speak one more time? It should work, man. There is no code changes. If it didn't work, then probably something might be turned off. Should I play solo or duos? Let's play solos. Yeah, sorry you guys didn't get your points, but now it should track properly. What's happening, Rahul? So that's not how you use the speak command. Let me post a command myself. Fine, I will do it myself. So speak. Hello. I hope it works. I know why it didn't work. 1 second. I'll make it work. Just give me just a moment, people. I had to turn on a few things. Yeah, looks good now. Okay. If it didn't work, then well, I'm in a live stream, so I can just fix those things live. Let's try it now.
Shivak says, hello.
Work. So I have restarted my server, then the WebSocket ID has changed. Things are working fine. Oh, that was a bad jitter. What's up, pal? What's up, boys? See, my code works, but there needs to be a synchronization in between. If I restart my server, and I'm supposed to restart my front end as well, because I'm not using server-side events, I'm using WebSocket. Where should I drop? I like Floodgate. Is my stream looking fine? Oh, I felt the same. I'm also feeling some stuttering. Probably for some reason, I guess. I didn't really play this game for more than a year. Or not a year, sorry. More than a month. The drop is really slow in this game. If you feel like the game is lagging, it's lagging in my machine as well. If I don't have money. Oh. This seems a new weapon. Oh, there is something. Can I go inside? No. Oh.
Svarup says, there is chest.
Yep, I just realized that. There's a new weapon. What is this? So you work as an Angular dev. I'm a full stack dev. Yeah, primarily front end goes as Angular, but we use some hard code. Oh, why can't I aim it? That was probably a bot. I'm getting infinite ammo with this. What's happening in this game? Yes, I do work as an Angular developer. So most of my work involves Angular. Some of them involves Python, some of them Java. The database goes as MongoDB and Oracle. So as an insurance field, we don't really touch the, backend, because those are like well thought programs. They're not going to just change their business logic instantly in a meeting. So things go slow. But when some things need to be deployed, man, it takes hours to write a most efficient code, because the database is so huge. We cannot just go linear programming. We have to cut our corners so that the script can be run in, let's say, a few hours instead of. That's bad. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I know, I'm fine. Saw someone here. Where did you go? Is it a thing? I'm getting all new weapons. Oh, well, that's bad. I don't think those are real players. This is really slow. Can't really play with this. What is this? Heavy duty blaster rifle. What I'm using? It's a wonderful framework. It's a wonderful. I didn't really know its value once I start doing it. I felt like it makes. So React and Vue, they're all different, but Angular is like an elephant. So if you want to do certain things, Angular does it really better. If you want to do, if you want more control, if you know what you're trying to do, if you are like trying to rebuild everything, then React is obviously a good choice. But if you want like a stable front end, Angular is good. So banks, financials, they mostly use Angular because everything is already proven. What is this weapon? This is fine. The bullet drops are really slow. Sorry, bullet speeds. Double jump? No. My game is really not that fun today. What is this?
Says, is that Travis Scott?
I have no clue about this game, man. This game has a lot of content. I mean, it's going to attract a like younger, audience or players, but I don't really care about all those. They bring some weird, or not weird, but different events, which I don't really have any interest playing on. But my viewers would be like, "Can you play this event?" Oh, I just love pistols. I have a thing for pistols. Why am I? That's definitely a bot, man. I'm not really getting any fun. Yeah, that's a bot. Yeah, definitely a bot. I don't really play this game. Are you guys fine if I play? So I will just show you what games I have. Maybe I can pick something which I can play with against real players. Maybe I should have tried ranked. So I got Rainbow Six Siege and PUBG. Are you guys fine if I play this game? Or should I move and play, write some code? What do you guys think? It's Friday, let's have some fun. Jagdeep is down. Rahul, thankfully, is here. Thank you. Did I hear of? Oh. Dude, am I not aiming properly, or is it the bullet velocity?
Svarup says, do you have Valorant?
I haven't really installed it. I really enjoy large scale multiplayer. I used to play Valorant. You can find a lot of good shots in my channel. But I have stopped that because I'm not really getting any fun out of it. I have not really installed this. I used to play it, but it's a trouble using WSL and VMware when right thing is working. I had a lot of issues with it, so I just thought I'm not really playing Valorant anyways. So I just uninstalled it. Rainbow Six is also a fun game. You guys want me to try Mini Royale? If you ask, I'll probably vote for code.
So 2 Iconic says, yo M8 can you check a code I made in C++? It's a ready CLI clone type of thing.
You're building your own. Dude, I feel I'm not really in that position to review your code because I don't know C++. I have never really done much C++ in my life. The last thing I did was some library management in BTech first or second year. But yeah, I can really do check it out, but I won't be able to do anything. So what is that? Yeah, do you have a GitHub link or something? I'm excited to see. I would see, but I won't be able to evaluate it. But I would really want to see how C++ code would look like. So what is it? Come on, share me a link. Come on, Iconic, don't be shy. Come on.
Says, let's check it out.
Yep. Vishan Taneja. Hello, sir. How to break tutorial loop, and also tell me correct way to do full stack. Oh, tutorial loop. I understand what you're trying to say. Anyways, welcome to the channel, UV. Show my face. Take some time. Peace. Welcome to the channel. I'm definitely not 20. I'm 27. Welcome to my stream. I do programming and gaming, cool stuff. You can try a lot of different commands. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. You can use the speak. Hey, thanks for the like. Someone did it. Thanks for the like. So that's what happens if someone likes my stream. If someone dislikes, something else is going to happen. Thanks for the like again. If you dislike, something's going to happen. You can use the speak command. There is Relangi Mama, that's my bot. Am I getting these many likes, or is my program going wild? Yeah, these stuff are built by me. Yeah, someone disliked or removed the like. That's what happens.
Says, happy.
So that's the speak command. Thank you, Rahul. So if you feel like I'm not reading your chat, you can use the speak command so that I can hear what you're trying to say, and you can also hear the same thing. Yeah, Relangi Mama is the bot. It handles my viewers, the speak commands, and other things. There are other stuff. I'll explain to you later. Back to gaming. You can also control what appears on the layout. If you want to see my face, then bro, Teluga 100%. Arun Kumar, నాకు తెలిసిన Arun Kumar లేదా కొత్త? Okay, sorry to speak in Telugu. So the reason I speak in English is I have an AI code. I have Olama running in my PC. Thanks for the like, guys. So I have an AI running in my PC. After my stream, it's going to generate the highlights of the stream. So it won't be able to understand English, Telugu or Hindi. So I am obligated to use English. So Arun, yes, I am 100% Telugu. I would love to speak in Telugu, but my AI won't be able to understand it. Thanks for the like again. And is my program not working fine? I don't really get these many likes. Or did I turn on by mistake 2 servers? No. Maybe I have turned on 2 servers. No. I'm using one server. How many likes do I have? So I'm going to answer your question, UV. Just give me 1 minute. I know exactly how to get off those tutorial things. I got another like. I'm not sure. I don't think those many likes I'm getting. That's not common. I only got 3 likes. Do you think I didn't get that idea? Do you think I didn't get that idea? Thank you. Sorry if you don't like my stream. Tell me what you didn't like so that I can improve it. I got the like again. Maybe people are disliking and liking. Is that what's happening? How many likes do I have now? If I really got, I think I got 4. If I got 5, Relangi Mama is going to drop an alert. So let's first answer UV's question. It's been a long time. I'm going to come back to you, Iconic. Arun, if you're మీరు ఇంకా ఉంటే ఉండండి తెలుగులో మాట్లాడచ్చు no problem. So UV, if your goal is to learn a framework, then you won't be able to get out of the tutorial loop. If you're motivated, then obviously you can. But if you want to do full stack, then start. There are 2 ways to do it. Language-based, Python or TypeScript. There are dynamic languages and static type languages. If your main goal is to get a job, then obviously go to the right side. Python, Java, TypeScript. These 3 are really important. And then comes the front end. Thank you. Thanks. Sorry, Iconic. So, okay. If you want to become a full stack person.
Says, let's check the repo. I'm excited.
Yes, let's answer to the UV's question, and let's. In the meantime, we can also search for the account. Vishran. The correct way to do full stack is obviously start from the back end and then proceed to the front end. Because front end is a big ocean. There is no way you can be a complete full stack or complete front end engineer. So yeah, start with the back end, learn some basic stuff, database, API handling. Thanks for the like. Am I getting these many likes? I don't think so. Oh, I got 5 likes. No, this one was a real like. I finally got 5 likes. Thanks. Okay. So yeah, learn proper stuff. Don't go into tutorials. If you're already looping it, then if you realize that you're watching too many tutorials, then stop it.
Says, 6.
Say. Probably 5 because someone disliked. I didn't trigger it. I didn't really trigger it. Something happened. So let's stop dislikes. Let me talk. So yeah, what am I saying? Someone is just trying to have some fun. Proceed, no problem. So what's the main good way to do that is start with backend. Okay, sir, I would like to know what should I do. You don't have to call me, sir. I would like to know what should I learn after completing front-end development. Should I move to Node.js, React.js, or focus on databases? And I started from front-end, sir. Now what next? What next? So, whoever is liking, disliking, just give me 1 minute so that I can explain things to him. Or else I can disable it for now, if that's causing some disturbance. So I'm disabling the, yep, it's disabled, and focus. So what happens is, isn't React front-end? Yes, it does. So you're done with your front end, you're confident with your front end, then move to the back end. So what are you going to do? There are some key aspects you must know in a backend development. API handling, HTTP, that's one thing. Moving data, so you obviously need to learn databases. If you feel like maybe you're not really into SQL or some, yes, I'm from US, bro. So there are multiple aspects you are supposed to learn. Those are expected from a full stack developer. So obviously backend. For backend, you can use, I would suggest you to learn Java if you want to get a job quickly, because Java is widely used and there are a lot of MNC companies which look for Java people. So yeah, if language is not really important, then you can use any framework, doesn't really matter. So yeah, Node.js, you can start with Node.js because that's but start with TypeScript and Node.js. You will get a basic understanding and then go with Java. or Python or whatever language, doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Once you're done with the API integration and now you're confident that you can spin up a server, then move forward to the next steps: database, caching, WebSockets. What are the other core concepts? Micro frontend, if you want to do that, then logging. So if you know all these things, then you can work on a project. Stop watching tutorials. So how would you do that? Just try to build an app or a website or any API. Try to do it on your own. If you didn't get the answer, if you're not unable to do that, don't go to the YouTube. Use AI. Ask ChatGPT not to give you the code. Just ask, how can I spin up a Node.js server? It will give you the steps you are supposed to do. That's a good question. JavaScript, not really. If you're good with frontend, have you not heard of TypeScript? If you are done with React.js and frontend, let's say you've done React in JavaScript, then you must be comfortable. JavaScript is a big language. Don't make fun of it. It's going to bite you. So if you have TypeScript is a must language. You need to know TypeScript, Python, some SQL if you're some SQL is needed, and one industrialized language. Could be Java, could be C++. But I'm not confident that you will be learning C++, so I just removed that from the option. So you must know TypeScript and Python and Java. These are the three languages in order to get you a job. Again, DSA is another story. I'm not going to involve that, but no, I just done HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What can I suggest you? Then I need to go step back. Then you're not really ready to build an app. No, let's go step back. So what have you done in React? I'm not trying to discourage you. I heard of TypeScript but confused how to move forward. So that's the thing. You're trying to grasp too many things, then you're confused what to do. So what year are you in? How much time do you have? You know C++. I don't think you would have good fundamentals in C++. I'm not really confident that you will be that in that position in maybe a month or two. So I removed that in an option. Even I know C++, I don't really use it. So start with MERN stack. That's a good option. But if I was you, how much time do you have? Are you in BTech first year, second year? Java full stack developer. The moment you say Java full stack developer, they're going to use Spring and Spring Boot. Probably Angular. These are the three things which I worked as well. The main basic stuff, Spring Boot. Talk about object injection. How would you handle microservices? Because Spring Boot is entirely made for microservices. And the moment you say Java full stack, they might be asking you AWS, because I don't believe that Java people are going to use Azure. It's really rare. Mostly .NET developers will be using it. I have not done. I was asking what to learn, React or Node. Oh, you're asking me. Confused how to start from the move forward. I have almost first year. Oh, you are in first year. Okay. This got me cleared a lot. So I'm so sorry. I thought you are done with React.js. You are done with frontend. So you're asking me what to do next. The moment you said that you have not really done much TypeScript, I was surprised. When you're confident in frontend, you must have done something in TypeScript. All right. I'm going to be honest with you. You are in the basics now. So in the first year, you should not be worrying about full stack development. You should start about core fundamentals. Start doing some basic DSS, string and arrays. That's it. Don't go for graphs or trees or anything. Just build some logic building, because that's important. Doesn't matter how many projects do you do. That mindset is important. So this is the roadmap I can suggest to you. So there are two roads you need to cover. There are parallel. You have to do these two things at the same time. Yeah, that I think that's no. So I have 1 year. Oh, you have 1 year left. Okay. Okay, let's start that you say 1 year left. So even it doesn't matter. Even I don't really enjoy doing DSA. For in order to get a job, you must do it. Okay, I thought you were from first year. Okay. My bad. So start doing DSA in Python. Don't go for fancy languages, C++, Java. It's going to be taking too long time for you. If from Python, you can just have a basic understanding of how to write a code, how to solve a problem, how to do for loops, or just do strings and arrays. That's it. Strings and arrays. Don't go any deeper than that. So yeah, so you are trying to memorize the solutions, but programming doesn't work that way. No one knows everything. Even I don't know how to build things, but I know how to bring pieces of things together. So that's what most programmers do. So you need to have that skill on by yourself. You can watch a tutorial, but if you do the same thing, you will not be getting anything. You will be just a trained person, but you will not have your own skills in order to do the same thing. So I don't really, if you are trying to get fundamentals, watch YouTube, but you should not watch YouTube on how to build an application. No, that's not going to help you. You need to dig your own road. So start doing something. Obviously you won't be able to do it, so start with that. I'm not trying to discourage you. This is the example I'm trying to give. Even if I start doing DSA now, my mindset is, let's say I'm doing lead code. My mindset is I'm not going to fight lead code. I'm not going to prove myself. I know that I will be failing the question, but I am here to learn. So in the same way, when you're trying to do DSA, don't think like it's an exam or you're trying to prove yourself that you're a programmer. No, just learn things. And in the parallel, these are the basic things everyone can expect from a full stack developer: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, some static language, either Java or C++, C hash. Let's say Java, and then comes SQL or databases. So these are some core concepts you must know. But that's a long list, I understand. So let's put some checkpoints. You need to know TypeScript. But if you don't know TypeScript, it's fine. Just write JavaScript, in TypeScript, put any's anywhere, just so that you can satisfy TypeScript, and then start slowly adding types and interfaces so that you can have an understanding of what is TypeScript is and why was it developed in the first place. Now, it won't help you in the long term. What? In the current era, using ChatGPT for learning is the most effective way to learn anything. Yes, it does. Iconic. I don't think that would be a problem. It does. So in the long term, so the learning thing changes. When ChatGPT can be a good teacher, man. So in the first things, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to spin up a Node.js server, ChatGPT can tell you it's better than watching a YouTube video. Trust me, it's better than watching a YouTube video. Of course, if you copy paste the things, you won't be able to get the grasp, but you can ask the questions directly to the AI. What is this npm install? It can give you more information. But in the YouTube video, that's not what happens. And while watching a video, we just process the information. That's how our brains are. But if you are doing things with AI, you just read what it does, then understand, then copy paste or do whatever. If you're at least straightforward copy pasting the things, it won't work. The person who developed TypeScript got fired. That's another topic, man. TypeScript is a good language, but that's another topic. So once that's how corporate works. I watch tutorials and do something different from that. Still, I feel कुछ तो रहा है, मजा नहीं आ रहा है. I mean, not satisfied. लगता है कि चीजें बोल रहा है, चीजें बोल रहा हूँ, like that, and I start again. Okay. I understand what you're trying to say, Iconic, which is true. Even today, just today, I was arguing with AI in my work, but I couldn't get the answer it gave me. But I just came up with a new process, and I was able to fix the problem in 1 minute. I struggled for almost 2 hours with ChatGPT, and I took my friend's account who uses paid ChatGPT, but that wasn't trying to help solve the problem. But I was like, I took a lunch break and came back. Why I'm not doing this in this way? Hey, thanks for the like. Someone might liked it. So I'm trying to suggest AI for UV, especially for UV. I'm not suggesting AI for Iconic or Rahul. For UV, you must do things multiple times so that you can get a grasp of it. The reason he's getting that feeling like I'm not doing anything else because he don't really have a projects on his own. I'll be honest with you, even the pro devs don't use Stack Overflow as much as it was used before. That's true. But there are certain things which can only be found in Stack Overflow, unless if AI already is trained on the data. So UV, do this. Have you ever done a portfolio website for yourself? Do not watch YouTube videos. Do not watch YouTube videos. Open a pen and paper or the same website, XQuery draw. Imagine that your how does your website would look, and then maintain just a dummy flow. You want an icon here, maybe something that. Do not watch YouTube videos. You have done a lot of them. Have an AI next to you. Do not just feed that a screenshot of it and tell it to generate the code. Do not ask it to generate the code. No, this is the design you want to do. So obviously what you would do, you would create an HTML and CSS file and JavaScript. Try to make this website. And anytime you face a challenge, I'm not saying ask the entire project to AI. Yeah, if you're not really understand, if you don't really have an idea of what to do you have a portfolio? No, then do it. That's a good start. All you need is a learning mindset. That's true. So you need to be a hunter. So if obviously every person will not know all the solutions possible, but you need to know where to find the solution for. You can use AI, you can use Stack Overflow, you can use GitHub issues, or you can use search engines. There are some other what you call articles which tell you how to solve a certain problem. So you have to look for multiple sources. I created this for client once. Good. So if you feel like you're fine with HTML, backend. Paradox, welcome to the stream. Have you joined my stream? Paradox. This is the first message. What does Yuri actually want? So you want to be a full stack developer in 1 year. Oh, job. I haven't no one gave me results. So LinkedIn job hack, this is what I did. Arun, I'm going to reveal you the exact things which I did. So that's what I would do. I already have those extensions. I think it is available in my GitHub, but it was last year. I didn't really update the code. So this is what I did. LinkedIn, there should be Glassdoor, I guess. Copy pasting is not working. Yeah, Glassdoor. And there is another site called Jobs Diva and Dice. I didn't really get much from Dice, but I used to get my resume would float a lot. So why is it not working? Is my keyboard dying? Okay, now it's working. So what I did, I used to have a RabbitQ server, and I have a browser extension which was written using. Oh, I forgot the framework. Dude, I forgot the framework. Let me open my GitHub. It's I have developed this feature, this project in February last year. What? I don't have this. I didn't log in, I guess. Let me log in. Why would it ask me this? Okay, it wants me to authenticate. I think it's Prixma or something. That's a framework. It's a wonderful thing. I'm going to show you what I did, Arun, because no one really gave me referrals. But I just wanted to float my own resume so that I can get some recruiters' attention. I didn't know my GitHub got logged out. Let's see if I have that in my repositories. Job email applier, this is the one, and there is auto apply, this is the one, and rabbit handler. And dice auto, this one also is needed. Yeah, these are the ones. I'm writing a backend inside Spacetime DB. It's freaking me out. Have any ideas? Spacetime DB. That's an AI thing, right? So these things would give you a fine framework to work on, but that's after that it's going to you. how much copy paste is good, or what do you what to do? Hope I was able to tell what I'm actually want to ask. Okay, there are a lot of conversations being happening in this. I'm not sure which one to focus on. So I'm going to answer Arun's first, so that I don't feel like I'm lying. No one really gave me any referral, so this is what I did. This job, you can see it's almost been a year. So job email finder. So in Dice and LinkedIn's, if you inspect the website, you would see the email of those person who created the job post. So by using this, I was able to get the email IDs of those. And there is auto apply. I think this is an extension. Yeah, this is one. Which language was it written? Let me see the package.json. Plasmo. Yeah, Plasmo. I think I got the name right, Plasmo. So Plasma is nothing but it's a framework to create browser extensions. So it's a wonderful tool. So I'm not going to go over that section. So that extension used to handle LinkedIn, Dice, JobDiva, and Monster. So these 3 or 4 websites. So the moment I apply the job, it would just open a new tab. It would try to fetch for the email ID, and it would send it to my backend, which is this job email sender. What this backend was written in Python, what it would do is it would get the email ID. I think I'm using RabbitQ so that I can open multiple tabs, and every day I would just, let's say they have 100 jobs in a day, and you know what, the jobs I applied is not the job I got. Due to all these, my resume was floating a lot. So these are the tricks I used for my resume. So every day at 7 or 8, I would open my resume, just change one letter or one word so that my resume would be updated every day. So recruiters, I heard it from my friend, recruiters would get all the resumes, and they're going to sort by the latest updated. So if you're using the same resume for 6 months, if you're unlucky and you found the same recruiter which I found, so he would not open your resume because that's not the latest or not updated. So just for that case, I would just update one letter, put a full stop, add some space or something. So that has been checked. So the next step, after changing all these resumes, so I have this job email thing. So what it would do, it would open a Chrome in the background, and it would send an email to that recruiter. And most of the times they would reply, some wouldn't care, some would just say, sponsorship, no, that's another story. So this helped me. This is what I did. If you're still here, thank you, because I've spoken a lot. I hope you get something out of it. But these are not like plug and play things. If you want, you can download this code. But it's been a long time I have maintained this. Okay. So this is what I did for all those people who are asking, like, what I did for jobs. So these are all the projects I normally do. I try to do things which help me. So this involves 4 different applications. Dice Auto, I don't think this is nothing. So this was made for my friends. So they also wanted those tools instead. So I tried to make a repository which has Dice Auto. It would have RabbitQ, Poetry, and everything. But I couldn't really figure this out because I need to make a lot of changes on their laptops. So RabbitQ, what it does, let's say this extension would apply for a lot of jobs in a lot of portals. So I was just having a queue. Deep down, I wanted to try this. I could have just maintained an array in just Python and just loop over each one of them. But I just wanted to try Rabbit handler. But that was fun. I really enjoyed it. Another thing is to make much techie friend circle as possible. Trust me, really, yeah, that's true. But man, I'm not really that social person. Have you ever been in the situation, let's say you're doing something and you get a really good tech idea and now you want to build it anyhow? Environment. So I learned programming in this way. I try to solve the problems which I'm facing. It doesn't matter what language I use, how big of a project is. So you must try to come up with some ideas. Maybe you have a problem which you can solve with programs. Just you're not aware of it. How to use AI, like copy paste code, and everyone says that that use AI, but no one tells you how it's actually to use it in a correct way so that we don't actually copy paste things. If you feel like if your gut actually saying it to you, you have the answer. If you're asking that question, that means you're doing a lot of copy paste things. That's why you're not unable to do things. So you must build a project which helps you. I understand. So this is the one thing I can suggest you is try to build a project. If you're not sure what to build, tell me what are your problems so that I can at least suggest, okay, you can build this app. So all my repositories are some issues I have. View counter, go. Oh, you're back. You missed a lot of good stuff. कोई बात नहीं यार, सुबह हो रहा है, नहा लो. I thought you went and was speaking to your team. Well, this cost. So you, one thing, man, you must start doing some project on your own. So you have your mind is prepared that you got AI to your back. So that's the reason you just rely on it too much. But that's not AI is supposed to be using. You can use it to achieve some things, but you should not depend on it to build some things. So I used AI a lot for my AI video editor, and I learned a few things. I was lazy. I know how to write this code. I just asked AI to do it. Everyone who watched my past streams would know it. But some things were meant to be used on your own brain. I tell it what to do instead of it telling me. I would just ask for suggestions. How would you normally do this? And then I will get those suggestions and apply, search the internet and just see what is the best approach, and then come back to the AI. So the only one way I think of is that you have to do something. Do you know how to build an app? Not using AI, obviously. Do you need something? You must be needing something. The portfolio is a good start, but that obviously won't make you a full stack developer, but that website alone can make it. So if you want a portfolio website that has some backend as well as some static content, that you can make that possible. I know a website which could show you, beginner friendly issues in GitHub repositories, but I don't think you're ready for those. You have to build something. You have to build at least a website or something. Or else just I have no options actually. Just do some DSA. DSA is also a priority. Just open Git code and start using Python or something. Just do basic questions like strings and arrays. Don't even go anything deeper than that. So that will help you in thinking a little bit different. So do not see the question and aim to solve the problem. Aim for learning something. The moment you see a lead code problem, don't try to fight it or, okay, I'll be done with this problem and I'm done. No. Apply your solution, think for about it. You will not be able to finish that question, trust me. So that's when you start learning things. Do not take it as an exam. Just take it as a thing which you can learn from. It's always okay to do basic projects, but one of my first app was an Android app just for simple counter and count how many push-ups I do. That's I'll start with building a portfolio and start learning React.js. Yeah, you can definitely do that. So you're trying to learn different things at the same time, but I can understand you don't really have that much time. So my first Android app was a thing which would download music from GeoSavan. Previously it was known as Savan. So my dad asked me, like, can I have an app instead of, so this is what he used to work in transportation corporation. So he used to travel a lot, and obviously the internet was not that stable back in the day, and I made him dependent on those GeoSavan things. But he was like, I'm not unable to hear the songs because he's traveling and the internet is not that stable. So you might ask, why not just offline the songs? But for that I have to pay for the GeoSavan. Those are some morality questions you can raise on me, but I'm a programmer. I thought, why not develop an app which could download those songs on his phone? Yes, there are already tools built on those. so that people can remain in touch. My Discord is actually dead. I do have a Discord. You can join it. I think you can use Discord. Type Discord and it's going to show it to you. Was a file sender and which didn't require my app on both sides. Iconic. What's wrong? So the app would just download the songs from GeoSavan and store it in my father's phone so that he can just directly play them. That was my first app. After that, I built a project for someone and then an app for a European client. I don't know what if they're still using it or not. Sure. You can type exclamation discount Discord and it will give you my Discord ID. You can just join yourself. Iconic, something's wrong. I didn't get the context of the thing. Let me play with my knife. Okay, let's turn on the likes thing. I turned it off for a long time. Of course, that's dead, but regarding what you're trying to say, that's dead. Oh, yeah. Okay, I understand. The Discord, yeah. The moment I said it's dead it's a fact that it's not really active. Of course, I'm online all the time in that server, but you joined? Wonderful thing. It will be online. We do share some code. Oh, I miss Shadow. It's been a long time I saw him. Even Satyam is not joining. Hope he's all right. So this is my server, Gamers Den, because originally I was a gamer. I see you, UV. So you guys can share your, setups. Man, Zebronics, this keyboard, this was the exact keyboard I used to use. That was my friend's keyboard and I took it. It used to give me like static shock when I touched that metal frame. This was wonderful, man. What's happening in this? Hey, Teja, Levity. Back in 2022. So, hey, this is also one thing I did. Back in 2022, if anyone donated any things to my UPI, I would generate a certificate like this and show it in my stream. It was made in Python and it was so janky, it would work, but I know that it can fail anytime. But it was really fun. People used to donate like ₹1 in order to get those certificates, and those certificates can be the bot Relangi Mama would add it into the browser in this way. So these are all like real donations, and people donated, and they can just download the image. Obviously, they won't be able to do something, but it was cool. It was cool stuff. So these are the things I'm talking about. I didn't really create anything new. I didn't create a framework or didn't create a CLI. I'm just using the existing tools to create something which could bring a value to my own life or my YouTube. There were comments. What are these? Oh yeah, this one I know. So yeah, just like how I'm rewarding you for those comments previously, if you have like 300 or per 100, you would get a certificate. So these didn't really, did much for my channel, but I was happy. I still have that same code, but I don't know it would work if I turn it just right away, but it still works fine. I used to have a Discord bot, Relangi. This is the same bot which we are seeing in the YouTube. BF3 LAN 2021. Battlefield hype. Bot spam? I don't know. Yeah, Relangi was also a bot previously. I understand what's happening here, but so Relangi used to be my bot. Gaming discussions. What's happening here? It was more of a if loop kind of thing. Okay, what are we doing? Hey, Iconic. I'm so sorry. What was your? Let me scroll up. It's called Veer. The text is so small I couldn't see anything. Iconic. Yeah, that's not the right command. I forgot. I'm unable to find it, bro. If you can share the same thing again. Was it iconic or Rahul? Who wanted to see? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's you then. 2025. Do you create? I'm back again. When were you? When did you go away? This one. Did you share any GitHub account, bro? Okay. If you're active in Discord.
Iconic says, GitHub.
Yeah.
Says, we forget to check the repo.
I didn't forget it. I was having it in my mind, but I was having my own rabbit queue. I'm not really eligible to review his code, bro. I'm just checking it out. So this was the framework I used for the extension. Is it still being maintained? Let me see. Yeah, 2 months ago, still working fine. Are you sure? I didn't get anything. Zero users. You can share a link in the Discord iconic. $9K? Do you mean you have 9K followers or 9K? I didn't understand it. Is it 9K? Did you guys understand what 9K means? Of course, it's 9,000, but what is it linked to? In the meantime, you guys can suggest what are the new alerts you guys wanted to add it in my stream. So I wanted to add something for disappointed, or any shorter word than that. Ignore the spelling. So if something goes disappointed, like Jebdi would come into the stream and he say, "This today I only talked to 5 girls." Normally he would talk to 10, so that's a disappointing. So I wanted to add one for those. I wanted to add for hi and bye.
Says,
I wanted to.
Checking.
He says okay, I guess. Oh, wonderful one. See, you are a talented person. I couldn't understand whether it was 0. I was like 9K. So iconic was specific with his words. He would always. Why would someone dislike? Okay, no problem. But see, you were able to understand that it's okay. I wasn't able to understand that. Again, the like game has begun. So disappointed, hi, bye. Or you can just say welcome.
Jagdeep Singh says, bro, I was loyal with 5GF but they done, T even loyal with.
Dude. Bro, I would suggest not to remove the likes and dislikes too often, because it would hurt my reach, or positivity interaction or something that YouTube does. If I have more dislikes triggered, it would cause issues. So I understand you are trying to have fun. Think about me as well. Disappointed, welcome, bye. That's the next thing. Bro, I was loyal with 5 girlfriends. Do you know what? Just read it again. You are loyal with 5 girlfriends. How is that possible? Are you like, okay, I share, you're like a server and WebSocket and you share the data, the same data with all those? Or you're talking about 5 is a less now. Here comes true UV. So disappointed, welcome back. What is the things? Okay, let's try. Cool. Thanks for joining. Have a good day. I used to handle 15. You're talking about WebSocket. Jagdeep is talking about woman. He's a womanizer. Where did Iconic go? It's getting too hot. Let me turn on my fan. I'll turn on my fan and be back for one second. Too shaky. Okay. So Iconic, this is you're not sharing any link, bro. Is it fine or are you shy? Someone disliked? I'm going to upload a same reel one more time.
Says, I just gave in chat.
Dude, you're aware that YouTube is not going to allow that. Even I disabled all moderations, but you can see I didn't see any chat. So don't. Yeah, that's the reason I wanted you to share it in Discord. Maybe you shared it in Discord. Didn't get any. General? No. You are playing for what? Almost 2 years now. And you act like you're a new viewer. So guys, you're still here. Thank you. So I wanted to build these things. So I would appreciate it if anyone could search a GIF for this and someone else could search for this and I'm going to search for bike. And they need to be funny. And then we need to find an audio for those. The moment I said GIF, I doubted. For disappointed, that sad cat. Which one? I'm not gaming anymore, so I'm going to use my old keyboard. You guys ruined my gaming session. I hate you guys. Dude, I think this is a high time to turn on the points. For Spider-Man, I had to have like 500 points.
UV_UV says, he shared check Discord.
You shared, you are also in the Discord, right? So you would know. Oh, there you go. Okay, focus, boys. Yeah, to focus. It's Firefox. Oh, C++. The custom built Redis command line interface. Client implemented in C++ using low-level software programming. Supports the Redis serialization protocol and provides an interactive serialization, what is it, REPL for real-time Redis command execution. Features. Connects to Redis servers via TCP. Parsing, I don't know what are these. Command line arguments for host and port, wonderful. Support one-shot and interactive commands. Clean module object-oriented structure. Oh, you have the structure in this way? Nice. Project demo. So ping pong. Version 10. Okay. Version 10. Oh, it's going to say, okay. Version 10. It set something and it's going to get, okay, the key and value, all right. So basically JSON uses tree data structure. Even I'm not sure what is the main thing in this. Assets? I don't think assets is the right one. Okay, SRC, we go C++, main C++. I think I can use vscode.dev. Yep. You guys might have just hate me for doing that. 1 second. Yeah, just let it do it, bro. No, I don't think that's a. I think it's a. He clearly mentioned it's a client. Client is not a bad idea, but my main thing is trying to recreate and learn some things like 60 to 70%, and then the 20% is going to apply his own sugar coated things, so that maybe he finds it easy to use it this way. So there are a lot of people who struggle to connect with Redis because the process they might feel like it's too difficult for them. So some CLIs like this can make the process easier. We have a lot of create React app was simple, but people still use Vite. CLIs can help do repetitive things which people have to do anyways. So just like this, we have AWS SSO, but there is an easier version for that, which is YAV SSO. That's a brilliant idea. It basically does the same thing which we are supposed to do with AWS SSO. There is if you're not aware of those, so there is a command called AWS SSO. It takes a lot of steps to configure the same SSO, but with YAV SSO, it would take 4 to 5. Now I wrote my own batch file which does this in one command. So CLIs would just remove certain things which you are going to do it anyways. So that's a good thing. And it's fine. So let's see. We'll include, I don't know what these are. Main.c++. Man, it's been a while. It's been years I have looked at C++ code. Host code and vector, I think that's an array of type string, command args, while okay. Argument is -h. I think you're talking about the host. And what is this? Oh, is this like the okay, you're trying to get all the arguments list. Okay. Command argument. Don't we have CLI? Okay, right here. I expected to have like a control flag so that it would take me to the file, but looks like that's not the case. Oh, it's taking me. Okay, sorry, it's taking me. What are these difference? I have no shame to admit I don't know what is this H file is. Is it like the compiled C++ version? So there is a run method. This is where help return function for the white space. Yeah, cool. It's a header file. I have no shame to admit I don't know what a header file is in C++. If you hate me, you can drop a dislike and unsubscribe and go, but that's the truth. Oh, okay. This is like a, what is this called? Telegram? And I use Telegram, but that's only for deals. If you give me a minute, I would like to do something which involves the same YouTube, but I wanted to do this. I feel like I uploaded the reel in a wrong time, so I want to. So I'm going to upload the same reel which I uploaded a few days ago, but it only got 59 views. I think I believe I have uploaded it on the wrong time, so I'm trying to re-upload it again. So sure, let's see how it goes. What are you guys doing? But you're not even inviting me? We have Discord. What's happening, guys? So I don't know what is this headers. It looks like there is a. It's like a static types of this file. Maybe like a type definition of the CLI C++ file. There is a run file. It's take a vector. It's an array of strings and it returns. Okay, looks like something's happening. If it's a quit, if it's a help, fine. I normally feel like people are going to use a JSON or some kind of data structure like map or something in order to do such things. It's fine for doing like 2 to 3 commands, quit, exit, help. But is it how industry standard is for doing such things? If you're comparing with the same exact thing like quit or exit, I think we have like a helper commands JSON file, let's say like a object, and the key should be quit, and whatever it's supposed to do, it's going to be in the value. I think that would be a lot performant than traditional if conditions, but I'm just guessing. I'm not even trying to improve this code. I don't even know what it does. So there's a vector of arguments again, and then if the argument is empty, it's fine. Execute command. This is what I'm interested in. Build S command handler. What is this? Guys, what's happening? What is this? Even I have Telegram, but I only use it for. I only use it, for deals. So there is this website, show my face. So I would just use it to get all the deals in a given time, but that's the only thing I use. Come on. It's interesting. Back to gaming. Do you think I need to have a Telegram group as well? That's fine. Discord is fine for me. Clunky, yeah, I understand. It has a lot of features though. So can you guys help me trying to do these things? Or are you guys going to be busy like talking to yourself? So Discord, what is the standing cat? This one? So my original idea was, I think I already have a video of it. Let's see. I think it's better to use this one. So I have a video of Captain America. Able to find it. I am unable to find it. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. Oh yeah, right here. So he feels disappointed. I'm not getting any sound. Does it have any sound? And he goes away. That was my initial idea. For hi? Oh, okay, bye. Have a good day, UV. See you again. So for hi, this is what my initial idea was. So I would just have someone pop up, like say hi, and then go away. Oh, it's almost 2. Are you guys interested to watch my stream, or should I stop it and also head back to bed? I would like to play some games. So let me fire up Battlefield 1 and I'll just play one match. You know, strictly gamer vibes. This is not really needed anymore. Get my gaming keyboard. Interesting. Are you guys not using like Steam ID pet? Steam ID? Hey gamer, aren't you still watching? Steam ID Blazing Bane. Gamer, bro, మీరు కూడా. I also play PUBG. మనకు గ్యాంగ్ ఉంది PUBG రోజు ఆడతారు. I also play PUBG. This is the phone I play PUBG on. It passes the commands in the terminal. For example, if you say viewer and it's I understand it. So on that right side and the connector. So that's not what I'm talking about. So you have some static commands like quit, help, etc. I didn't know. Even I don't know how to properly do it, but I don't know how the industry also does it. But I would not use an if condition. Even I know that I'm using it. But for those CLIs, I would use like a key value pair, so that if it's, I think that's a lot faster than a multiple if conditions. For your case, it's fine. You only had like 2 or 3. But if you have 50 if conditions, don't you think it's better to use a tree? I'm just asking your opinion. That's it. Oh, so if you have like quit, help, some other static commands, obviously for few things if condition is fine. There was a piece of demonstration where they showed 100 if conditions and 1 switch case. It took time. Okay, I just wanted to confirm few things. That's it. I wasn't really trying to review your code. So Arun, I hope you got the ID. If not, I can share it to you again. And if you're into PUBG, let me know. Oh, I thought you are from US. Are you not from US? I play PUBG. I can't really play BGMI because
objective butter.
From US, it's not allowed. Oh, this is operations. I understand. Yeah. Yeah, for your use, even I use if conditions. The put and every other commands would also use the speak conditions. So Arun, as you're new, I didn't really get time to explain you my commands. So if you're interested, I can go over them. If you're not, it's fine. Dun, 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 dun. I love this map rupture. Have you tried enlisted? I didn't get the need to. Most of my data is fine. I can't even watch it. What's with the Telegram? It doesn't even have end-to-end encryption. There is a thing called What is the main reason for using Telegram? Oh, let's play horse. I love horse. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. I'm going to directly capture B. I can shoot from the horse as well, if you guys are aware. There is no one.
We have taken objective apples.
There is no one here. I can safely capture this point. I'm still asking what is the excitement behind Telegram?
So 2 Iconic says, Enlisted is a game.
I was looking at the chat. It's a game. I thought there is a I don't think that's called enlisted, but there is a package which could organize, which could simplify storing data in a list. I thought that's what you're talking about. What is enlist? Telegram because
So 2 Iconic says, Steam.
Enlist, I've never heard of this, bro. Is it a free game? It looks like a free game. Game mods. I will look into this in a YouTube video and see. Brave. You guys need to use some words before you Brave. Enlisted. I don't know what are you guys talking about. I don't know Brave browser. I really have it as well somewhere. I think I was watching YouTube before this. Yeah, I do have it. It's fine. I use it for YouTube. Someone's there. Heal. No, let's go. No, sit on that side. What is it, Arun bro? Brave ain't he? Of course, browser gurinche, but let's play Venge. You guys would suggest some random game. Yeah, Hell Let's Lose is a good game. I know. I think I got stuck. I think I got stuck. Let's get some healings. There's a horse behind us. Oh, behind us. So sorry. We are losing C. Oh. Someone was here. There was someone. It's a web-based FPS. Verge is okay. Let me try. I thought I had to download that game. Let me try. What is that? That's not our. That's our thing. So,
We have lost objective
okay,
Edward.
it's a web-based FPS game. So obviously that needs some Chrome. Firefox not really handled. Verge. There's a game called 1v1 LOL. Yeah, I agree. Okay. I think I got the website. It's a decent gunplay. What are these languages? What is this written in? Continue. Oh, they can't let me. iframe. Crosshair? They are using micro frontend for sure. They are getting a lot of data. They got the information in this way, version mesh. They are loading the entire mesh. The sound is horrible. Okay, let's play. Create a room, sure. 1 second, let me just try this game for the first time. Trying. Oh. I hear someone, but where is he? Oh, there he was. There he was. Oh, dude! I need to change my sensitivity for this game. Yeah, that's fine. Hey, I'm a decent player, bro. Sniper. Ah, nice. Okay, now I can play with you, no problem. You jump. Damn it. Someone. Oh, yeah, I saw him. He might be here. Whoa. What was that for? Now I know what weapon he used. Oh, that was something. Ad by Google, dude. What? All right, let's try to play together. Play with friends. This is the room I created. You can, I think you can perfectly see this. Man, browsers are not really powerful these days. Yeah, first lol, yeah, the 1v1 lol did started the trend, I guess. Yeah, bigger FP weapon and hand POV, yes. Now I can aim a little bit better. You can join this session. Yeah, when Verge. Guess what this language was written in? Verge.io game written in. Is it? Code, yeah, this is the one 17C0F6. I just was curious what language they used to build this thing. C++. I think that's not the right one which I saw. I think that's an old engine. I don't think that's the right one. Are you joining, Rahul?
So too iconic says, oh.
Curious. Why are they referring to VMware? Rahul, you ready? Okay. I mean, this is the game you suggested. Hey, thanks for the likes. Someone liked my stream. Who is that person? How many likes do I have now? At least 6, maybe 7. Or 6. I will make it 7. It was my like, so thanks for myself. I was able to hear some sounds. You joined, then my game crashed. I'm unable to see. What?
Says, I'm in.
You are in, but I'm unable to play the game. I just did a refresh. That's unlucky. Is it for some reason there might be an issue with this? Can you create an account maybe? Wait for them to join and then I'm supposed to press start. The same code? What was it? I forgot. What was it? I might need to watch my own YouTube video, which I hate it. Thank you so much. What was it? So how can I join? Yeah, but how can I join? Play with friends and share the invite link? No. I don't see an option. Are you aware? Where can I play now? Would obviously start a match. Any idea, bro? Edit the URL. Okay. It won't let me. And it's almost 2 o'clock.
So 2 iconic says, browser URL.
Oh. Someone disliked my stream. Okay, let's play one match. You know what? Let's play one match. Go get the link. Let's just join it. What? Not that one. This one. So sorry. Join this link. Clear. Arun, you're still here, bro. Yeah, you can use the speak command, Arun. It's convenient. And you can also control what appears on my face. If you try put Iron Man, there will be Iron Man on my face. There is a command called exclamation Spider-Man. As you might be aware by now, I create applications. So this is my website. I write some blogs as well. You can just go to blogs, or else you can come to this YouTube section and you can see this is yourself, Arun Kumar. Which one is you, left or right? So yeah, I have.
Start first.
So rude. Dude, they clearly mentioned create a private game to play with friends. Share the link with your friends, wait for them to join the lobby, and then click start. So you need to use put. I'll show you. Did someone use Iron Man again? Yeah. So let's put Batman. There are only few
Yes.
things which are. Dude, you haven't joined the game yet. Did you join already? Is it you? Okay, I'm starting. Oh, this seems like it's
So
working.
2 Iconic says, IIGTG and learn JSB.
Yeah, probably. Oh, the FOV is too way too much. Am I the only one who's in this match, huh? Dude, I'm the only one in here. The jump scare is worse. So there are other cool stuff, Arun Kumar, but I guess it would just bore you up. In order to get the entire command list, you can put exclamation CMD and it will share you all the commands. How was the browser able to render 165? Yes. Can't I climb this? Oh, interesting. Does it stay like that? If I go, maybe I need to create an account. It still says that. Let's have this some other day. I thought to play this, but let's have it some other day. Yeah, maybe that could be possible. That could be 100% a possibility. Are you guys going to watch if I play this game, or do you want me to do something else, or should I just play one match for myself, or just go to sleep?
Says, sorry chat.
Problem. I'm not sure what to do. If you want, I can play PUBG from my phone or from my PC. Anyone. Else I can just go to sleep. You guys didn't let me play at least a single match. I'm just joking.
Arun Kumar says, play PUBG on mobile.
Oh, let's do that.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Hey, let's play PUBG. I'll be right back. Toilet गेला असता. Well, it's been almost 2 hours. I had to go. Okay, I'm going to just set up a few things. It won't take much long. So no worries. Let me turn on this. I play from this phone primarily because it's a gaming phone. Yeah, PUBG PC. No. Just so you know, you guys can't really play with me because region restrictions. I have to scan this QR code so that I can get the copy of. Is it working? It would not really work for the first time for some reason. I have to close it again and then start it one more time.
Arun Kumar says,
Just no idea why
I
that
can play
happens.
bro, I am in us.
Oh, you're from USA. I thought you were from India. But you asked for BGMI. That was one confusion I had. Okay, let's have my keyboard here just in case. Connect it to my charge. Let me find some earphones. Where are my earphones?
Arun Kumar says,
I used to have
Alabangelo
it is right here.
bro.
Ah, so perfect. It's not working. It got tangled. My earphones got tangled in this headphones. 1 minute. I have to go pure wireless on few things, man. Okay, let's close unnecessary things. ఏదైనా వేరే గేమ్స్ ఆడతారా మీరు పీసీలో? జాబ్ కంటిన్యూలో ఉన్నారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏం ఆడరు అనుకుంటారులే.
Arun Kumar says, Raj phone low FPS.
ఇది ROG కాదు, ఇది జస్ట్ రెడ్ మ్యాజిక్. FPS డ్రాప్స్ అస్సలు దీనిలో కూడా ఏం అవ్వవు. మా వాళ్ళు ఎవరు ఆడట్లేదు అనుకుంటా. 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Maverick 10 hours ago. Okay, let's start. Unranked ఆడినా alone. ఆడదాం ర్యాంక్డ్, ఏముంది మజా వస్తుంది. సో నార్మల్గా నేను ఇది తీసుకుంటాను అనమాట. జస్ట్ ఇది కొంచెం స్మూత్గా ఉంటుంది గేమ్ ప్లే అని. నా మీద కొడుతున్నాడు. What? Okay. Boys. ఇవే ఫైనల్గా ఒక తెలుగు అబ్బాయి మన ఛానల్లోకి వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సెలబ్రేట్. నార్మల్గా ఈవెంట్లో దిగుతాం. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంది ఈవెంట్, లెట్స్ గో. కిందికి ఎట్లా వెళ్తారు వీళ్ళంతా అప్పుడే? అప్పుడే ఎలా దిగేసిరా బాబు, ఇంకా దిగట్లోనే ఉన్నా.
Marked a location.
షిట్. స్కారెల్ నైస్. అది ఏం వద్దులే, మీరు వాళ్ళని తీసుకోండి.
Arun Kumar says, Hero use Shayera.
యా గేరే ఉంది. అంత తోపుగా కాదు, జస్ట్ క్యాజువల్. ఓష్. ఓష్. అసలు దరిద్రంగా ఆడినా అదైతే. నాకు సౌండ్ ఎందుకో లెఫ్ట్, నాకు ఈ సైడ్ నుంచి వచ్చేటట్టు అనిపించింది. అబ్బా. 3x బిస్కెట్ అయిపోయిందబ్బా. షార్ట్ గన్ ఎట్లా వాడట్లేదు సరిగ్గా, నీకేం తీసేసుకో. గొడవ ఉన్నాడు మెట్ల మీద, చూస్తున్నా. వెయిటింగ్. ఓకే, న్యూ పీపుల్ కమింగ్ అన్నమాట. కూడా కిల్ దొబ్బేసిండా. మో. ఫైనల్లీ. ఓ స్కోప్ సర్లే, దీనికి పెట్టుకో. ఓ ఎన్ని ఓవర్లే వస్తాయండి ఒకటేసారి ఫైట్ చేస్తాం. పెద్ద రచ్చరం బోల్నా ఇది. ఓ నీకు 4x. Oh, there is someone. కొంచెం హెవీ 7 ఏమో కావాలి ఇప్పుడు. Seven ammo, no.
Arun Kumar says, us love
Tennessee.
Yakata bro.
మీరు ఎక్కడ బ్రో? ఓ
Arun Kumar says,
మెంఫిస్. మెంఫిస్. అండ్ మీ ఆటో మూల నాది అట్లాంటా స్వీడన్. వీడిని తర్వాత చూసుకుంటా, ఇటు సైడ్ పోతా ఫస్ట్. నా పని అయిపోయింది గురు. వచ్చిందా? ఒరే లూడెర్గో. బాయిజన్ స్నైపర్ అది. ఓ ఏం పడద్దాం? ఏమో బాగానే ఉన్నాయిలే. ఏమో పడేయచ్చు కానీ సెవెన్ ప్లేయర్స్ డూడ్. 4 ప్లేయర్స్ అంతా మనోళ్ళే ఇంకా. చలో డన్. సెల్ఫీ పడేసేది. సెల్ఫీ తీసుకో ఫస్ట్. ఓయ్ ఫైనల్లీ షీల్డా? ఇంకా ఇద్దరు గురు. Okay, no one. అనవసరంగా పెట్టినా సప్రెస్. బాటలు వస్తున్నావా ఎంతగానో? చంపరా బాట్లే సగం టీం అంతా బాట్లే ఉన్నారు. నేను బై మిస్టేక్ డీబీ పడేసినట్టున్నా. ఒక్క నిమిషం. అయ్యో అది తీసేసుకున్నారా? చేంజ్ గురు.
Let's go. I got supplies.
సరేలే ఇది ఒకటి తీసుకో. Ammo, Pico. I don't know what is this. ఆ M4 4xలు 2xలు పెట్టి కొడతా కరెక్ట్. అరేనాలో ఉన్నారు గురుస్. ఎక్కడ జోన్ ఒకటి ఉందా? జోన్
Says, damn 17 kills already, you're a pro.
Not really, bro. Not really like tough players. You're still watching, Rahul. After this match, I'll probably go to sleep. Ooh.
Says, what the hell?
Yeah, this is a Titan thing. It's a new thing. I expect India also has the same game mode. Just the servers are different. Let me have my
Says,
drink.
I'm from Nepal.
This is where I normally die because of it's a very open place. See, most of them just stop right here. I don't even have a scope. Let's go somewhere. Not exactly to that spot, but just there is this new Beyblade thing. You're from Nepal. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. You're from Nepal. Yes. That's an enemy. Try again. Don't have to. Oh, I hear footsteps. Sorry, gun sounds. Go. Clear. Oh, that's definitely a bot, bro. There's one more bot here. I'm a bot hunter. I mean, in the event there were no bots, but keep moving. I can't really see due to tree. There's someone here, and I see him. Dude, I can't see him, but he can see me clearly. Go kill him. I'll just go take some loot. Not enough loot.
Says, see you after my
See,
exams.
you after my
Gotta
exam
cook
got a
lunch
cook
now.
lunch now. All right. All the best for your exams, bro. Do your best. Don't panic. Thanks for joining the stream. The zone is this way. Let me get it. It's not really a good advice. In the final zone, there will be a lot of players. Oh, I see someone.
Marked a location.
That's a bot, dude. Ignore him. Yeesh. I'm not going to kill him. We have to move to the zone. We have to go to the zone. We have to go to the zone. Shit. Need some heals. Definitely some heals. Dude, I would be dead. I would be dead. I'm looking for some heals, bro. One second. Done. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Dude. He's fine. Can't really see anything because of that mark. Whose grenade was that? Like I said, there will be an army of people watching us now. Might be a bot for sure. Yeah, bot. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, there's a sniper nearby.
It is showtime.
I see him. He's on the train tracks. Where I am. Definitely knows where I am, so I'm going to stay still. I'll just move this way. This way I can see. Oh! To do. While they're fighting, I would just. I'll wait for him to die. I'll wait for him to die. Surprise! Is the sniper dead from behind? Yeah, there. Yep, this is the dude who has M24. One v three, 1v4. Strange. I think it's better to take. It's better to take the sniper. I'll go get the sniper. Go take the sniper. Take few more.
I got supplies.
Okay, I see him. I see him. I see him. Shit. That's a bot, so I'm going to ignore him. Okay, I see him. That's done. Oh, careful. There's someone here. Yeah, the same squad. I think this is the last one. Okay, cool. Mhm.
Victory belongs to us.
All right, that was a good match. I'll
We're the best.
happily go to sleep now. Thank you so much. Bye, bro. Match गेल bro. But అంతా ఖాస్ మ్యాచింగ్ కాదు. గుడ్ నైట్.